Oh. Restart. Restart there. Just ran right into the wall. Forgot to jump. Bing. Bong. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, and go. Got the boost, good stuff. Got the other boost, and we're gone. Good stuff. Nice. Good stuff. Go to second slaw. Alright, good stuff. That's good. Yeah, it puts me a little bit quicker. That was pretty clean. Now we got to get lucky with the train, and that's easier said than done. Hate that, man. That's dumb. Train's a pain in the ass, man. I'll do. Could have been better, but hey, can it always? Fucking annoying. Hate screwing that up. Clear that spring can be definitely not obnoxious. Skippy skip. I don't know how I hit that, but hey. Alright, good enough, I guess. Not bad, I suppose. That's pretty good. Yeah, that was alright, I guess. Obviously, I'd like to be better, but better overall, but can we break the PB? Skippy skip, let's try to find out. Okay, could have been better, could have been worse. This is looking all right. Okay, not bad at all. And skippy skip. Not a bad time to stop and eat there. Yeah, that's not great, but hey, I'll be back in a second. Oh yeah, baby, almost sub 5. New PB at about 504, 505-ish. Maybe even a 503. Hard to tell. I just got my stopwatch in front of me, so it takes me a second to look down. Didn't get the sub 5 minute, but we did get a nice improvement there by about 10 seconds over the run I just did a few moments ago. So yeah, I think I'll chill with that for now. I'll work towards the sub 5 minute when I got free time throughout the week, but as far as my Sunday evening goes, I think I'm gonna make some dinner. So that's all, folks. Easy game, short game. Cool that you can play with both Wile E. Coyote and Roadrunner, but it's a fun speed run.